We're going to be hearing the Girod clock strike 10. As somebody requested, we do so. We're going to be hearing the Girod clock strike 10 as somebody requested, we do so. And here we go. Sorry if I repeated, but... There we go. That's the Girod clock striking 10. Yes, this was a request from somebody, but yeah. So, if you want to request a new video, there's a link in the description, as always on my video, and then you fill out the form too, so. That's all there is for this video, so like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.